Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing video. This is the Laurier Falcon. I actually was not really aware of this watch until I was offered it in a trade for another watch, so I need to get this open quickly and do the comparison video with the watch that I traded for, so I can send it to the new owner very quickly, the other watch that is. So let's get this open and check it out. I do also have another Laurier I had in on loan, the Laurier Gemini from Bobby Legs. And I did also, a while ago, I purchased a Neptune. Have it somewhere. Need to get it out so we can check these two watches together as well. So anyway, let's get this out of the box. All right, there we go. The owner of this watch included some extra straps, so very kind of him. So let's check it out here. Oh, this is the tag from Laurier. Anyway, looks like we have a MN strap here, and then an alligator strap. Looks like Dasari. It's very cool. I'm not sure if this is actual alligator or calf leather. Yeah, it's calf leather. Looks like alligator. So very cool. Set those to the side, and we can zoom in here. So this bracelet reminds me a lot of the one that comes on the Zelos, or maybe this one was first, but very similar. Nice small links, articulate very well. Another link here. So let's get this on a wrist. I do like the styling of this watch. It may be a little bit small, but does appear to have longer lugs, so that will make up for the smaller diameter. I believe this is, well, it's 36. I know I looked that up. I don't remember the rest of the specifications. We'll go over that in the full presentation. Let's get this winding. I think I also saw this has the Miyota 9039, I believe. It looks to be high beat. Wow, that second hand is very thin. Almost looks like the width of a hair. It's very thin. I'd not seen a second hand that thin before. It's kind of neat. One positive or negative, depending on how you look at it, is it has a plexiglass crystal. I do have, actually I have an HK Ed 1963 Seagull with a plexiglass crystal. I have that Undone watch that I guess they gifted it to me with the plexiglass crystal. So then also I have a Tudor date day oyster prince oyster, something like that, with the plexiglass. So we'll try this one out for a while. It looks like it's nice and thin. So yeah, let's get this on wrist. Let's see, it's hacking, hand winding. Obviously I was just hand winding it. Hacking, the second hand stops. Nope, didn't quite get it right on the 12 o'clock, but yeah, it's a cool looking watch. Screw the crown back down and get this on wrist, and we'll close out the video. Actually, let's see. Nope, just a plain case back. Solid end links, solid links, milled clasp, 3 micro adjust. Oh, that's neat. This link here is articulating this. Kind of interesting how that was designed there. All right, let's get this on wrist. So I have a 6.5-inch wrist, 52 millimeter wristband. Yes, it is on the small side, but it's a field watch, kind of like similar to the Rolex Explorer in size and design. All right, I think that will conclude today's video. As always, thank you for taking the time. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.